Alright, so I got the Kia Soul, and we got some engine codes here. Turn the switch. Okay, it says the heater control circuit bank 1 sensor 2 is high, and the second one is the same one. So this one is the oxygen sensor downstream. So we already checked the sensor and it's bad, so we're gonna replace that one. Okay. Alright, so to remove this sensor, we're gonna use a 7/8. So we're gonna release the sensor. So it's just, you can see it's damaged. So here's the new one. I ordered this one from Napa. So also we're gonna, so here's the sensor I wanna use. This anti-seize product. Before the installation, make sure the thread is in good condition before you install the oxygen sensor. So now we're gonna remove this little grommet here, and we're gonna go inside the car to unplug the connector. But before that, we're gonna just torque this down using the 7/8. Alrighty, so to remove the sensor that goes there, we need to remove this cover here and this one. So the sensor goes okay. So the sensor goes here. Okay, I'm gonna push this down. Okay, so let's go down there. Let's go down, so you just pull it really hard to remove it. Sometimes the guy's stuck. There you go. And we make sure the connections are the same. We use sticker right there. You see the little grommet, you can I want to add some grease for the easy installation. So you can see I'm trying to get the little cover there inside, but I put some grease on it. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, so it looks good. Yep. Alrighty, so now we'll try to see where is it. It's right here. There. Okay, and now we just connect it. There you go. And right here is the just going back right down. Alright, so this clip goes in there right here. Okay, so this one goes right here. And there you go. Okay, so now we're gonna clear out the engine coats. Alright, so now that we replaced the sensor, let's delete the ignition coat. Okay, double check. Okay. Let's take this. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you to change your own oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2, the downstream. Thank you.